Hi guys! Welcome back to the Taste to Share kitchen. Today we're making a flavorful and hearty pork curry with vegetables, savory, creamy, and absolutely satisfying. Let's get started. We're using 1 kilogram of pork shoulder. Go ahead and cut it into bite-sized cubes. Once done, set it aside. We'll cook the vegetables first. Heat some oil in a pan. Then add your cubed potatoes. Fry them until they start to get a little golden. Now toss in the cubed carrots and give everything a good mix. After a few minutes, add in the sliced bell peppers and a pinch of salt. Keep frying until all the veggies are lightly toasted and cooked through. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more easy home-cooked dishes. Now remove and set all the vegetables aside. In the same pan, add the fatty cuts of pork first. Sprinkle a bit of salt and let it render out the fat. We want that pork oil for extra flavor. Once it's rendered, go ahead and remove the excess oil from the pan, leaving just enough to sauté. Now add 2 thinly sliced onions and cook until soft and translucent. Next, toss in 8 cloves of minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. It's time for the lean pork. Add the cubed meat and sauté it well with the aromatics. Sprinkle in 2 teaspoons of black pepper and mix everything together so the flavors combine. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce for umami flavor. At this time, add 3 to 4 pieces of Bayleaf. Give it a good mix. Now, add enough water to cover the meat. Bring it to a boil, then simmer until the pork is nice and tender. You can add more water if needed during the process. Once the pork is fork tender, it's time to add the flavor booster. At this point, add the ready-made curry mix. You can use any brand of your choice. Stir it in well. This will thicken the sauce and give it that deep, comforting curry flavor. Add more water if needed to get your desired sauce consistency. Now, taste and add salt as needed. Let it simmer gently until the sauce is just how you like it, thick, rich, and full of flavor. At this time, bring back the fried vegetables, stir them in, and let it all cook together for a few more minutes. Don't overcook the veggies. We want them tender but not mushy. And for a creamy finish, this part is optional. Add 125 milliliters of all-purpose cream and stir gently. It gives the curry a smooth, rich taste that takes it to the next level. And that's it. A delicious homemade pork curry with vegetables, saucy, flavorful, and perfect with hot rice. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another dish. Check out my other videos for more easy and tasty meals to try at home. See you in the next one. Happy cooking!